Hi. Today we're going to find out what happens when you mix milk with Red Bull. Take a clear glass, open up the Red Bull, and pour it into the glass. Alright, let's wait for the foam to go down just a little bit. Alright, then take the milk and carefully pour it into the Red Bull. Look at the clumps. Look at the clumps forming in that. It's like cottage cheese. You don't even have to stir it. It just immediately happens. All of that milk that I just poured into that Red Bull has turned bad. It's gone sour immediately upon touching the Red Bull. It's just nothing but clumps of, I mean, look at that. It's just clumps of cottage cheese is all it is. I would definitely not recommend drinking this. I mean, it looks really nasty, but it's amazing how Red Bull and milk combined can cause that kind of reaction so quickly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.